Hello everyone, how is everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Whenever you all get the time, just leave a comment as to how you feel the readings are, because it gives me a lot of encouragement. It makes me feel happy. Many, as I always say, you all come in person and give, but when you put in the group, when others also read, it even encourages them. So that's just a request. If it's okay if you don't do it also. So today I feel, before I start the cards, I feel the color has to be yellow. For many of you, there is a sort of a blockage in solar plexus, and I see this as an emotional blockage. Maybe emotional worries towards future, emotional worries towards finances, and for some, emotional worries towards their children. But overall, if you see it, it shows emotional worry. So today, use the color yellow. Also, if possible, take a clay lamp and apply haldi in it, like apply the paste of turmeric and water in it, and burn the lamp in front of Ganpati. Ask him to remove the obstacles and ask him to strengthen your solar plexus, so that you are able to be determined and take decisions wisely and not get emotional and not get wavered. So coming to the cards, let's see what is the cards coming. I felt like pulling out both the cards together, so I pulled out both. Ace of Wands, but here the Wands is inverted, but King of Cups. I feel, as I said, the worry is everything related to work and emotions. So maybe kids, maybe emotions everywhere. But overall, when I see these cards, I feel, the divine is there, the divine is blessing you, the divine is giving you at the right time the right blessing. You are only worrying and you are only spoiling your health for no rhyme and reason. I understand that you feel, what if things go wrong? But here, when I am seeing at the cards, I feel things will not go wrong. In fact, things will come in your favor. It is just that you need to have that little bit of a faith and little bit of a clarity in it. Maybe for clarity, what you do today morning when you're burning the lamp, the yellow lamp, just chant Om Gam Ganapate Namaha 108 times. And I'm sure Lord Ganesha will give you the desired clarity. And also, if possible, carry a clear quartz with you for the rest of this month, so that wherever you need clarity, the energies around you are getting cleared and cut by this clear quartz, and you are able to handle situations beautifully. So have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.